have in total 24 cameras here on the set, and 8 of them are equipped with a box lens. So you will find them on different positions, but they are mostly, all of them are mounted on tripods and pedestals. Then we have overall 9 RF cameras. From these 9 cameras, we have 4 as handheld, 4 as Steadicam, and 1 is connected to the rail cam which cross the stage. Then we have in total 7 special cams, which are always, like Mark mentioned, mounted on crane, on the 2D systems, and also on the rail systems, where we have also in total 4 of them. The special cams are connected by MediaNet. That means there's no base station behind, but with the box lenses you have a base station which are fitted into the 2 OB vans which you have for redundancy here.
For us, it's the first time being in such a big show. However, we are doing shows since like 3 or 4 years with this system already, but not to that extent, to be quite honest. And we need the support of, like the host broadcasters, the systems provider like NEP. It's a team effort to make the new stuff work here, to be honest. We created the creative color profiles for the cameras in this room together with the lighting designer and the director. So we had suggestions from delegations or the creative teams coming in here, and then we created over 50 different suggestions how colors can be applied, and over 30 of them are actually being used. So most of the delegations have chosen a slightly different color profile for their performance, and the team in the truck then can apply them.
One important thing is to make everything beautiful. The other important thing is not to be visible. You can't take a beautiful shot if it's a camera operator down and a big crane in the middle of the shot. And everybody needs to hide. The rest hides to get the best picture at the right time.
In a nutshell, we have, during the rehearsals, we have like 3 attempts per delegation, and we have a suggestion 1 in the first run, and there are like a couple of minutes in between. And if the communication is good, we can already show the secondary rehearsal with a new color profile, and then they say yes or no. And then the third one should then have a more or less final, or at least opinion on this, if this is going to work or not. Think of 35 music videos that you produce live. And that was our approach. How can we get that to some extent different to what has been done before? And I already mentioned the colors that we've chosen per delegation. That was creatively accepted by the team. So that's a first time, I would say. And the second thing is, this is highly automized, and that is also something that you don't have in every television production. So we created a piece of software that allows triggers. For example, we have cameras that need to switch during a performance between one look and another look, as well as simultaneously changing the exposure time for the lasers that are being used. And that can be pre-programmed and either fired with a click of a button or even automatically triggered by the show calling system. And this is something that we specifically made for this event. And yeah, with a backup system and always a human being that could override it, but that's a special thing that we haven't done before.